When going vegan, there are some important things that you should never do to make the transition smoother and more enjoyable for you and others. Never try to convince someone to go vegan. It's natural to feel passionate, and especially when you first learn about all the cruelty, all the environment, and all the health issues. You just want to scream to the world, okay? You want to let everybody know, but trying to convince or pressure others can lead to resistance. So for example, when I first became vegan, I wanted to shout to the whole world about everything I discovered. But over time, I really realized that leading by example is far more effective than trying to push others into this lifestyle. Never force people to watch disturbing footage. While slaughterhouse videos can be really powerful and eye-opening, pushing someone to watch them before they are ready can create more discomfort than enlightenment. However, if someone is curious and asks, then by all means do provide them with all the resources, but let it be on their terms. Never live on junk vegan food. It can be tempting to fill your plate with chips and processed fake meats and other convenient vegan options, but this can lead to poor health and energy levels. So prioritize whole foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, seeds. If needed, junk foods can be occasional treats, but they shouldn't dominate your diet. Never go vegan alone. Having a support system is really crucial. Veganism can sometimes feel isolating, and especially if you're the only one in your immediate circle making the change. So find some vegan communities, either in person or online, where you can share tips and get some advice and feel connected with others who are on a similar journey. Never be rude at restaurants. Okay, restaurants, they can sometimes be challenging, okay, especially if they don't offer many vegan options. So instead of demanding they cater to you, just kindly ask if they have any vegan options or if they can modify a certain dish. By being polite will make the staff more inclined to help you, and you might be pleasantly surprised by what they can offer. Okay, next one is never get angry at non-vegans. Okay, compassion is at the core of veganism, and that compassion should extend to non-vegans too. People have their own journey, and not everyone is in the same place as you. So instead of anger, feel more understanding. They might not know the truth yet, or perhaps they've chosen a different path, and that's okay. Never assume everyone knows about veganism. While veganism has become more mainstream, there are still plenty misconceptions and gaps in the knowledge. If someone asks you why you're vegan, it's best to keep your response short and simple at first. So, for example, I like to say that I'm vegan for the animals and I also feel better health-wise when eating this way. So that's a good starting point, and if they show more interest, then you can go deeper into the conversation. So these are just a few things to keep in mind as you go vegan. Stay kind, patient, and open, and the journey will be much more rewarding. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe down below if you haven't done it already. I would really like to have you here. And I'm going to leave another video here on the screen that I think you're gonna enjoy next. And I'll see you there.